Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Ishmael Bauer. Today I will show you how I managed to ride my own bicycle. I did not want to learn how to ride my bicycle because you can get hurt very badly.
Oh no!
Last year my mom got me a bicycle and knee pads and elbow pads and all. Like she helped me practice some, but I fell down and got so scared.
Oh no!
I didn't try again. This summer mom pulled out the bike again and told me to practice. I was so scared. I was so scared.
Don't write. You know you cannot do it.
Don't listen to whispers. You can do it. Say Bismillah and start it.
Oh, you're going to fall and get hurt. Don't do it.
What should I do? Recite Surah An-Naas. Those whispers of shaitan will go away. Trust Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
No, what are you doing? This is difficult. This is hard. You will get hurt.
I'll recite Surah An-Naas for protection. God whispers will go away. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس صلاح الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
No.
I'll practice and practice, and I will not let shaitan scare me. I will not give up. I recited Surah An-Naas for protection over and over again. I fell down a few times, but I did not give up. Always ask Allah for help and never give up. Happy riding! I wear a helmet for safety, so if I fall, my head doesn't get hurt. I wear these elbow pads to keep my elbows safe. These knee pads keep my knees safe, and these hand pads keep my hands safe as well. Happy riding! Don't forget to like and subscribe my video! See you next time!